Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Microsoft account and verify email to unlock cloud features. Once done, make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated so the Xbox app functions correctly. Next, open Microsoft Store and install the Xbox app. This gives you the interface and required services. You should also enable optional gaming features in settings. This initial setup prevents permission and compatibility issues, and gets you ready to access games without a physical console. You sign into the Xbox app using the same Microsoft account tied to subscriptions. Consistency avoids account conflicts. If you plan to stream games, subscribe to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for cloud play access. Once subscribed, enable cloud saves and grant background app permissions so streaming sessions remain stable. Also link any controllers under devices in the app. These steps ensure your game library and progress sync, and they maintain a persistent connection that prevents dropped sessions during play. You're ready to launch. Pick a cloud-enabled title or use remote play from the app home and press play. For smooth input and video, use wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. This reduces latency and packet loss. Adjust stream quality in settings if bandwidth fluctuates. If you encounter problems, test your network speed first and then restart the Xbox app. Sign out and back in if needed. One key tip: reboot your router and retry, as many streaming issues are network-related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.